Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi launches 5G services, says it's a gift from telecom industry to 130 crore Indians. Union Minister Fagan Singh Kulaste reviews developmental works for aspirational Ribhoi district. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma lauds Rajasthani society for their contribution to Meghalaya's progress. And thousands take part in protest rally to demand justice for 19-year-old murdered girl in Ribhoi. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the 5G services at a function at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. 5G technology will provide seamless coverage, high data rate, low latency and highly reliable communication. It will also increase energy efficiency, spectrum efficiency and network efficiency. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Modi said that the launch of 5G services is a gift from the telecom industry to 130 crore Indians and a step towards a new era and also the beginning of infinite opportunities. He mentioned that at a time of 2G, 3G and 4G services, India was dependent on other countries for technology. But with the launch of 5G services, the country has created a new history. He added that with 5G, India is setting a global standard in telecom technology for the first time.
करोड़ भारतवासियों को 5G के तौर पर एक शानदार उपहार मिल रहा है। 5G देश के द्वार पर नए दौर की दस्तक लेके आया है। 5G अवसरों के अनंत आकाश की शुरुआत है। मैं प्रत्येक भारतवासी को इसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
The 67th Battalion of the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF observed its 43rd Raising Day today in a befitting manner. The day celebrates the immense and unparalleled contribution of the force in upholding the unity, integrity and sovereignty of the nation. Talking to reporters, CRPF 67th Battalion Commandant Alok Bhattacharjee stated that the battalion was formed in Madhya Pradesh in 1980 and in the past 43 years they have served all across the country. He said that the battalion is presently stationed in Meghalaya. As part of the celebration, the CRPF 67th Battalion has organized a fair in its headquarters at Polo.
We are celebrating the 43rd Raising Day of our unit. The unit was raised in the year 1980 in Madhya Pradesh, and over the past 43 years we have served all across the country. And right now we are deployed in the state of Meghalaya. We are extremely proud to serve the country as well as the state of Meghalaya.
The Union Minister of State in charge of Rural Development and Steel, Fagan Singh Kulaste, was in Ribhoi on Friday to chair a review meeting on the Aspirational District Programme ADP at Conference Hall, Deputy Commissioner's Office, Nagpur. The meeting was also attended by the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District, Arpit Upadhyaya, and officials from different lines. In the review meeting, presentations were briefed over by the Deputy Commissioner on the progress of works done for different key indicators such as health and nutrition, education, agriculture, horticulture, veterinary, rural development and infrastructures being carried out under ADP. The Union Minister later proceeded to Circuit House, Nagpur for a short meeting with the local representatives, and he also inspected Bernihat PHC, Anganwadi Centre and Moonlight Secondary School, Bernihat, ending his visit with the interaction program with the self-help groups and village leaders at Bernihat Community Hall.
ये जो हमारा प्रयास है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी एक समान पूरे स्टेट को देश के जो रेशो है उस रेशो पे ला करके या इस स्टेट के जो बाकी जो हिस्से उनके बराबरी में ला करके ये हमारा मूल उद्देश्य है। इसलिए एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर, फिर बाकी जो हमारे कनेक्टिविटी का है उसको हमने प्रायोरिटी दिया है।
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday lauded the Rajasthani Society for their contribution to the progress of Meghalaya. While addressing the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of Shillong Rajasthani Durga Puja Committee, Chief Minister said that the Marwari community did not only work for their business activities but also fulfill their social responsibility and gave their full support in all the works of Meghalaya. For this, he expressed his gratitude to the Marwari community. It may be noted that under the aegis of Shri Rajasthani Durga Puja Committee, the Diamond Jubilee celebrations were celebrated on Friday while organizing 60th Durga Puja.
चीफ मिनिस्टर ने
उनको याद करते हुए सबकी आंखें नम हुई कि ये बच्चे जो उनके याद में
Thousands of people took part in the protest rally organized by the Joint Action Committee of the Khasi Students Union KSU, Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP, Hinyautrap National Youth Front HNYF and Rebhoy Youth Federation RBYF to demand justice for late Nishan Nongbet by providing black flags to all passers-by and people in cars and autos in Nongpo town on September 30th. The rally commenced from Yaumolong, Nongpo at 2 p.m. and ended at the Nongpo town shopping complex. The Dorbar Shnong, Seng Longkmi, Seng Samla, Tulba, students from various schools under Nongpo town and the family of late Nisha Nongbek participated with the black flags and placards in their hands. It was also witnessed that during the protest rally, the protesters shouted with different slogans and demanded justice for the victim. The centenary celebration of Durga Puja festival got underway today with hoisting of the centenary flag on the Namghar premises. Noted Assamese actor of yesteryears Janada Kakoti, who represented India in Berlin festival, hoisted the flag. The program was also addressed by retired IAS Bharkar Barwa. Several prominent personalities were felicitated on the occasion. In their speeches, both Kakoti and Barwa highlighted their association with this Namghar Puja. Namghar celebrates the centenary celebration of Durga Puja being held in the area since 1922. As part of its Golden Jubilee celebrations, West Jaintia District Sports Association today organized a 21.975-kilometer half marathon, which started from Shken Persit, Amlarem Block to Kyang Nangba Stadium, Jawai. The half marathon was flagged off by District Sports Officer Krubok Pasa in the presence of Association Vice President Patrick Lamare and officials from WJDSA. A total number of 172 marathoners, including 140 men and 32 women, took part in the half marathon. Women marathoner from West Bengal also participated. Winner in the Golden Jubilee half marathon was given a cash award and memento of rupees 30,000 for the first place, 20,000 for the second place and 10,000 for the third position. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was 26.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 17.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 64%, while in the evening was 72%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi launches 5G services, says it's a gift from telecom industry to 130 crore Indians. Union Minister Fagan Singh Kulastia reviews developmental works for aspirational Rebhoy district. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma launched Rajasthani Society for their contribution to Meghalaya's progress. And thousands take part in protest rally to demand justice for 19-year-old murdered girl in Rebhoy. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, have a good night.